Best way to eat anjeer. It is said that soak 1 to 2 anjeer at night in a cup of water and let it be placed in the water overnight and eat it in the morning on an empty stomach. There are many benefits to eating like this, and other soaked nuts can also be taken with anjeer, which are almonds and walnuts. Figs also improve digestion as they have dietary fiber. Moderation is the key, and dry figs always have a lot of calories. Raw figs are a tasty addition to spicy curries. It is also added to fruit salads. Anjeer is also combined with warm milk that can be taken before sleeping, which can be good for bones and teeth and helps in boosting brain health and reduce joint and muscle pain. Taking figs can delay the timing of eating the meal and helps to control calorie intake. It is good for skin and keeps the skin free from wrinkles, and it promotes collagen production. It is not healthy for people having low blood sugar levels. There are many ways to include anjeer in our daily diet. It also helps in weight loss and it cleans the mess in our bodies. It is sweet and juicy with small seeds in it that edible. We can buy some fresh anjeer, and dried anjeer can be avoided on weight loss journey, so soak it in water before adding the anjeer. We can boil the anjeer 1 to 2 pieces in milk and make an immunity boosting drink. And it will also build stamina and improves our sleep. Anjeer is also used as herbal medicines for cures. Anjeer is grown in Pakistan, India, Turkey, Iran, and the Mediterranean region. It is famous in the culinary world and used in halwa, milkshakes, burfi, rolls, chutney, and desserts, and so on. Baked can also have figs like cakes, bread, muffins, cookies, pies, and pudding. Anjeer halwa is a tasty recipe. It requires 3 tablespoon ghee, 200 gram dried figs, half cup almonds, half cup milk powder, 4 tablespoon sugar, cardamom, Elaichi powder. The method is to boil the fig for 3 to 5 minutes and then keep it aside. Heat the ghee in a pan and add the almonds. Also add the that cooked fig, milk powder, sugar, and half cup of water and cook for 5 minutes. Add cardamom powder. Garnish it with dried fruit or silver almonds, and the halwa is ready.